Hello guys, for today's video guys, may i-repair tayong satellite box receiver guys. Ito siya guys, wala siyang power standby or dead set talaga siya guys, no power. So ayan guys, tanggalin muna natin yung kanyang power supply adapter at i-test natin. And guys, goods naman, meron siyang 12 volts DC yan. Ito siya guys, yung adapter na. So ayan guys, yung TV guys, gumagana naman at nabuksan na siya guys. Ayan guys, linisin muna natin guys yung kanyang alikabok guys. Okay guys, pagtapos natin linisan ito guys, check natin yung kanyang guys, meron yung saksak natin yung kanyang power supply adapter. Check natin guys yung kanyang supply doon sa main. At dito guys, merong akong na-test dito guys, yan sa capacitor na yan guys, bumaba yung kanyang reading dito guys, yan dapat yung guys 5 volts. Ito guys yung gagamitin ko siya guys ng module, at i-jumper lang natin siya sa 5 volts kasi yung nawala dito guys ay yung 5 volts supply sa kanyang IC. Yan guys, meron siyang 5 volts. So i-testing na natin ito guys. Yan guys, yan meron jumper dyan guys, 5 volts nakalagay. Meron yan mabibili guys sa online yan guys, na kumana siya guys. Yan, thanks for watching guys.